Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or hi if you're new, my name is Abby, and in today's video I thought I would do a updated what is on my iPhone video because the last time I filmed this video it was literally beginning of quarantine and that was 8 months ago, which is insane. Like, that is insane. It also is snowing. Well, it snowed a couple days ago I mean. But I thought I would do a updated what is on my iPhone video because like I said, it was 8 months ago and I also got a new iPhone, and with the new iOS I think 13 update, the phone layout is a little bit different than it was before. Also, a little self-promo, a little side note, I am doing a giveaway on my Instagram. So this is a planner giveaway with Ivory Paper Co. They have some really cute planners. This is an academic one that I got for the winter and spring term, and it's basically a customizable planner. So you guys can go check that out on my Instagram and go follow me over there to go enter that giveaway because who doesn't want a free planner? And the giveaway is only lasting around 4 days, so make sure you guys go enter that really quickly so you can have a shot to win. I don't know how many people are gonna enter because I really don't have that many followers on Instagram, but we'll see how that goes. Anyways, ignore all that. So without further ado, let's get into what's on my iPhone. So this is my home screen. I think this has changed since the last time. I actually drew this. It's a picture of me and my friends. The one on the front is Ryan and the one on the back is Victoria. They were in my last video, so make sure you guys go check that out. But I drew that with my iPad. So that's my home screen. And then if you swipe up, this is my main screen. I actually changed it a little bit for the purpose of this video because I had my weather where my Spotify is, but I didn't want you guys seeing my location. So I just changed that really quickly. But normally my Spotify is on this page. Basically on this swipe on the side page, I usually have the battery, and then I have the Spotify there, and then I have the calendar, and then that's my Snapchat best friends list, and then my YouTube sub count, obviously, just so I can keep track of that on the occasion because I like to see if I get any new subscribers. Then on my main page, like I said, I normally do have the weather icon right where the Spotify is, and then I just have my most used apps really on the main page. So I have Instagram, TikTok, which I can't go on right now because I do have a 1 hour limit that I set for myself. That is why it is closed off. And then I have Snapchat, Spotify, Google, Safari because I use those interchangeably. I don't know why. And then I have Pinterest just to look up some photo inspos and just outfit inspos in general. And then YouTube obviously because I actually started getting into watching like older YouTubers like Alicia Marie. Like I used to watch her videos religiously, and then I stopped, and then I recently got back into watching them and I kind of vibe with it. And then I just have the clock because I don't know, I like the way it looks aesthetically. And then also if you just look at all my alarms for all my classes, I don't have that many, but yeah. And then at the hotbar down below, or whatever you want to call that, I just have photos, phone, texting, iMessage, just like the basic green apps. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I try to make it color coded, I guess. So like all the whites are like down at the bottom there, and then all like the colors are up in that top corner. I tried my best, okay? Also, my background picture is from the Botanical Gardens on Oahu, which I actually made a video about going there, so you guys can go check that out as well. And then on the next page, I just have my screen time. Please ignore it. I know it is very high today. I had nothing else to do today because I am in quarantine right now because I went to San Francisco and I came back, so I had to quarantine for 3 days. So that is what I'm doing right now. And then I just have my folders again. These folders are similar to the last video, so if you watch that, this might be some of the same stuff, but I will speed run it all. So first we have Stupid, which is all the apps I really don't use. I have all of these apps, and then I have Facebook Messenger, which probably isn't the same, and then I have Photography, which is probably my most clicked on folder. I use VSCO a lot. I use Lightroom a lot to edit my photos. I don't really use some of these apps, and FOCO is a new app that I downloaded that I'm trying out. And then I have Health, which I actually don't go to Lifetime anymore. I don't have a membership there anymore, but I still have the apps. And then Peace Health, which is just a bike app for Oregon, which I actually don't use a subscription anymore either. I canceled it, but maybe we'll start using it next term. We'll see. And then Shopping is pretty much like, once again, I tried to color code it so it goes like greens into blacks into blues. Yeah. But I just have a bunch of bank apps and Unidays app. I have the Chase, Citibank, Chopped, which is a really great salad place over here, Venmo, PayPal, Alaskan Airlines, Delta, Poshmark, Chick-fil-A, Grubhub, and Mucho Gusto, which is a taco Mexican place in Eugene. And then I have the YouTube app for you guys, obviously. I have YouTube Studio and Sub Count. I used to have AdSense on here, but then they really got rid of the app, I think, and I just use it on my computer now. And then B-Roll, which is an app I have talked about before in previous videos. Basically, it's just a way to like work with other brands and just make content for them and get paid for it. So I like using that app if I want to do like little side projects. And then followers, which is a way to just track how many Instagram followers I've lost or gained and see who's unfollowed me. And then in the TV app, I have obviously all the TV watching apps. So I have Showtime, Netflix, Hulu, Disney Plus, and Prime Video. I mainly really watch Netflix, Hulu. And then games, I don't really play games anymore. I have 13, Toy Blast, Winner Winner, and Among Us, and I have never played Among Us yet. I have it on my phone, so that makes sense. And then the last section is school, which is for Oregon, and it used to be some apps from high school, but I don't really use some of these apps anymore, but we'll go through them for you guys. We have Google Calendar, Outlook, Docs, Google Translate, which I don't use anymore, GroupMe, which I used for a class. I have Google Sheets, Gmail. This is Canvas. It's the student app where it shows like all my grades and all my classes and all my assignments, so I love having it on my phone because I get to double check to make sure I'm on all my assignments when I'm like on the go instead of just checking on my computer. I have Handshake, which is an app that they use for student on-campus jobs, so I recently applied to become an orientation leader. We'll see how that goes. I might not get accepted because I feel like I don't really do much on campus, but we'll see. It's a summer job, so I thought I would apply for it. Then I have Flipgrid, which you might have used in high school. I used it for one of my FIG classes, which was a first year interest group class, which I loved. And then I have Word. I don't know why I haven't used it. And then I have Teams, which I used for my dorm. We like do like meetings on there. Zoom, obviously, because Zoom University, that's how it's going right now. UofO Print, which is the printers that are on my campus. So like my dorm room has a printer downstairs, and that's just the app. It makes it a lot easier to print. Quizlet, Dropbox, the U Oregon app because Scodocs, and then the calculator app. But yeah, very boring what's on my iPhone, but that is literally everything on my iPhone. So just a little bit about my iPhone in general. I have the iPhone 11 Pro Max. I was gonna get the 12, but they didn't have it in stock, so I just traded in my old 8 Plus for the 11 Pro Max, which I have been liking a lot, and I like the Face ID feature. The case, I have no clue where it's from. I got it from the AT&T store, and it's the only one they had for my phone. I'm hoping to get a new case soon. I might head over to TJ Maxx or Marshalls and try to find another case, but I have a black sticky wallet. If you are in college or you have a phone and you have IDs, I recommend these sticky wallets. I literally love them. I keep everything in here. But yeah, that is everything on my iPhone and just a little bit about it. If you guys want a more in-depth video on any of the apps, I can definitely do that for you guys. Just comment it down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Follow me on all my social media. The links are always in the description box below. Also, make sure to go check out my planner giveaway on my Instagram. Like I said, I'll link that down below as well, and you guys can go enter that because you'll have a really good chance of winning because I really don't know how many people are gonna enter. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah. Peace out, Girl Scouts.